Hello and welcome to a new unboxing video. Today I've got two things to unbox. This first one is an order from Katnipp, and then I'm going to unbox the May Paletteful packs, which is an art subscription box that I've just subscribed to. So this cute little package is from Katnipp, like I said. Look at her beautiful paper that she packs her orders in. So she makes stationery and pins and stuff like that. And she's got a YouTube channel. You might have already heard of her. And she shows you how she makes all the stuff and then she sells it in her Etsy shop. So I decided to order some of her cute little items. Quite exciting. Okay. There's all these lovely confetti as well, so cute. So I've got this mouse mat. So this is one of her cute characters, this little bee here. So it says such a busy bee. I also got a coaster to match. And this one says, be kind to your mind. It's so cute. I also got a enamel pin in the little bee as well. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's absolutely adorable. I got this washi tape. Oh, she's even got a little Katnipp logo on the tape. Look at that, so cute. So this is called Kawaii Dango washi tape. Princess Dango. Whatever that is, don't know what that is. But that's the tape. It is so cute. And next I've got some of her cute little writing pads. So that's like lined paper with beautiful illustration on. So nice. Lovely, really lovely. So that's that one, and then I also got this one with the strawberry. So this is an unlined one. So nice. Everything she makes is just absolutely lovely. And then look at that lovely little thank you card. I also got these cute little bee stickers. They were actually missing from the original order, but I got in touch and then they just quickly sent me them. So these are like tiny little planner stickers, and she's got loads of different ones, but I chose the bee one. And they're so cute. And then this is her information at the bottom here if you want to go and take a look at her stuff. And this one's from the USA. So I used to subscribe to Scrollbox, and I also used to subscribe to Art Snacks. But I found there was just a lot of pens, and I am not really that much into pens. There was tons of fine liners and they were just all building up. I've seen a few videos online with this one, Paletteful packs, and this seems to be more art supply based. So fingers crossed it's not full of pens. So I think this is I'm not sure if this is the May or the June box, but it did take a few weeks to get to me. It's just arrived, and I know they've dispatched the other one. So it's so it's probably the May box. Oh my god. Oh no. What a waste of money. It's full of pens. Okay, so I can see straight away it's got some pens that I've already got loads of. So unfortunately I've been a bit unlucky with this box, so I'll just get rid of all this. Okay, so that's not too bad because this is quite interesting. This is a pack of Koi colouring brush pens, so that's quite nice. There's also, oh my god, fine liners. Why are these subscription boxes just full of black fine liners? It's so annoying. They're obviously getting them really cheap. Okay, so there's a point liner 0.1 and another point liner 0.8. They are by Pentel. a Pigma Micron. Is there actually any artists who don't have Pigma Microns? And another Pigma Sakura kind of black brush pen. And this is some Stonehenge watercolour paper. So it looks like there's about 5 sheets or something in there. 5 sheets of watercolour paper. Not really quite sure if it's worth it. The box was $36. Obviously I had to pay shipping and import fees on top of that. But is there even $36 worth of art supplies there? There's a pack of them. Those and 5 sheets of watercolour paper. So quite disappointing, to be honest with you. But I think I have just been unlucky because, like I say, this box doesn't normally have pens in. I think I've just been really unlucky. So hopefully next month's box, which is on its way, will be more exciting. Okay, so thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. And I'll hopefully have another video up next Friday. I did miss last Friday and I've been trying to get one up every Friday, but I've been in a bit of a heap, been moving rooms, changing my art room around. So anyways, I'm going to talk about that in another video. Once I'm all sorted out with my art room, I'm going to try and get more than one video on a week. Okay, so thanks very much for watching.